It's Mr. Tony West in the building. It's gonna be a quick video, real quick. Let me go ahead and get this thing poppin' like a. Alright, so today's video will be on this high flow air filter by K&N. Up to 50% more air. Blah 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 blue blue blue. It says yeah, the type of size that it is, it helps with better air quality. The thing that I want to make most important is today I have to go to work, but tomorrow I'm riding and I'm getting footage. So the most important part for me is to go ahead and get all this stuff, get this bike broken down so I can get to the air box real quick. I'm gonna try to do this in an hour time span. Let's go. Down to the air box, which I didn't show you how to take all this off because I just took off all this stuff to do the spark plugs, change out the spark plugs. So if you want to, you can check out that video. I tell you in detail on all the bolts and screws that's on here. One of the ones I forgot about is underneath these wires which hold your ECU there's a bolt there. I thought that was crazy. I don't remember that bolt being there. So it's always good to always, you know, shake it a little bit to see if anything's still connected. Don't never pull on anything hard. On the bike, bro. Like, it basically takes me an hour to take all this stuff off. Not because I don't know what I'm doing or I've never done it before, but because I want to make sure I got everything still together. You see, as I take off my airbox top, I keep all the bolts in there. So, you know, ain't no losing bolts if they're all in the same spot. And see, there's no bottom part here. When I did the ECU flash, Viking Cycle Nut, I'm sorry. He recommends you cut your snorkel for your air thing so you can get more air inside the system. More air means it can breathe better and add more horsepower to your bike. Okay, so this is the issue that I'm having. Look at that. Let me see. I'm gonna bring the camera over here so you can really see this shit. This is crazy. Please don't mind the trash cans in the back. I'm sorry. I'm actually getting the garage ready. Gotta clean the bad boy out. Gritty, this man. Oh my God. See what this one's all about. Woo! That K&N though. See they give you all types of instructions, stickers. Follow us on Instagram, knfilters.com. Then they give you K&N. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this on the bike. I'm gonna put it somewhere. Then they show you some examples of what they use, like in trucks and cars. This right here is a truck one. I'm actually thinking about switching over to truck. I haven't thought about using their oil filters or anything like that. But this right here, this air filter, this is about to be it. This is lit. I'm about to put this on. Whoa, it's got a lot of grease and shit on there. First off, I'm gonna tell you one thing. This thing is hard as hell. This thing is floppy. It's a floppy thing. Huh, with the rubber seal. I don't know if the rubber, I don't know if that is a good thing, because rubber get hot, right? But I guess the whole thing is for it to get cool, and this hard plastic, I know I ain't gonna do nothing. All right. So, just slide this bad boy here like this. Cool. And that's it. So boom. And you know what's really crazy is it's the same size. I know it sounds weird, but it's the same size. Like it's the same type of design. So yeah, that's cool. But is that fuel? I think I just dropped this in the gas. I hope that's what that is. I hope I don't have fuel in it. Okay. So, as always, hold on. Switch this out so y'all can really get a good, yeah. So, as always, if you didn't learn anything today, I need you to know that to always check your air filter. I don't know what that is out there. Sound like a gorilla. Hold on. But no. Always check your air filter. See, you seen mine. Mine was super disgusting. That could lead to your bike not getting enough power too. Honestly, I've been having a lot of issues with the bike as far as like go. And since I got a flash, it was having those issues before the flash, but now I'm just tinkering in my mind. What could it be? So that's why I changed the spark plugs. That's why I'm changing this air filter. Next, if it's still giving me that same problem, same issue, we're gonna work over and find something else. Shit, it don't stop until you find whatever it is. As always, it's your boys, Mr. 20 West. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick video. Pretty much gonna be like 4 minutes. Maybe I'll add some riding footage in there so you can see. Oh, and I'll definitely let you know if this is a good filter to have, or yeah. I'll let you know if there's a difference, for sure. Peace.
It's a picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.